This video is sponsored by Squarespace, the all-in-one website building platform.
It is really hitting that point this summer where I feel like I have exhausted all my go-to summer outfit combinations. I'm scrolling through Pinterest looking for inspo. All the cool Pinterest outfits have layers and cute jackets and things that are not hot weather appropriate. And I'm simply feeling so very sick and tired of wearing the same 3 go-to summer outfits every day. So I decided it was time for me to strike out on a mission to find Pinterest outfit inspo that will specifically actually work for hot weather and that I actually have the pieces to recreate. So today, hopefully, I will be completely refreshing my summer outfits with 10 Pinterest outfit recreations, and you'll be able to rejuvenate your summer outfits as well. So let's get started. All right, first up, we have this outfit right here, which I think is so cool because it's actually made up of very simple pieces. There aren't that many pieces involved, but the pieces that are being used have such interesting, unique, specific details that it makes for a very cool outfit. I don't have a one sleeve shirt like the one in the picture, but what I really found attractive about the look of the picture is just that the shirt is asymmetrical. So I'm going to use this tank top and sort of position it so it's on one shoulder, off the other one to create an asymmetrical neckline. Then on the bottom, I of course have my little ruffled hem black midi skirt. I can't tell if the one in the picture has trim or if it's 2 skirts layered together, but to achieve that look, I think I'm gonna layer this skirt underneath. I also absolutely love the cargo belt bag in this outfit. I think those are so cool. I love the utilitarian touch that it adds. While I don't have a cargo belt bag, I do have this cargo crossbody bag, which still adds the utilitarian vibes that we're going for. For shoes, tragically, I don't have my tall black boots with me here. I'm staying at my parents' house right now. What's appealing about these shoes is that they look very sleek. So I might do a simple pair of black heels. We're just gonna have to see how it works. So let me put it all together and show you.
And here is our final look. I realized my original off-the-shoulder plan wouldn't work with this top, but then instead I just shimmied it around to be one strap, and honestly, I think the visible second armhole on the side could pass for an intentional cutout. It's a vibe. Anyway, overall, I think this outfit is very cool, very sleek. I love the drapey layers. The heels dress it up, but then the cargo bag dresses it down. And I would definitely wear this in hot weather. I mean, the double layered skirts are a lot of fabric, but they're so flowy, I think they still work, or you could always just go with one skirt. I honestly feel so swanky in this outfit. I want to wear this to a rooftop bar. I never go to bars, but I would to wear this outfit.
Okay, outfit number 2 is this look right here. And I will say the cardigan makes this a little less summer appropriate, but I also thought it would be useful to take inspiration from more transitional outfits and try to adapt one for summer. So that's what we're doing with this one. And in this case, I do have my own plaid baby doll dress, my own sneakers, mine are just plain white, a baseball cap, my black crossbody bag again. And then in place of the sweater, I think I'm gonna try a white button-up shirt, just buttoned at the top button to kind of emulate this look, but with something lighter weight. We're gonna try it out.
Okay, this shirt actually doesn't have a top button, so I'm just leaving it open, but I think this is a great warm weather adaptation of this outfit. I love the combination of the preppy button-up with the sporty sneakers, the feminine dress with the casual baseball cap. Overall, it creates a very cool mismatch that all kind of ends up melding together into a very chill, wearable look. And a lightweight shirt like this could provide some sun protection, but you could also always take it off and tie it diagonally across your body to keep even cooler and, dare I say, look even cooler? Yeah, I'm super into it. I have got to remember to actually wear this.
For our next outfit, we have this one right here, and I love this top so much. I have been looking for a dainty, blousey white tank top kind of like this for months, and I finally just thrifted one a couple days ago. So I guess I am cheating a little bit in this video by including new clothes, but I didn't buy it for the video, and I think this is a great first outfit to try it out with. So here is my blousey white tank top. Then once again, we have my long black skirt. I have a black headband. This one's a little more poofy and dramatic. The one in the picture is very low profile, but this is more my style. And we have the black bag again. I didn't mean for this bag to be in all of the first 3 outfits, but a lot of outfits have a black bag in them.
Okay, here is this final outfit, and as you can probably tell, this top is too big for me, but I still really love it, and that lets me wear it off one shoulder, just like our inspo pic. I have to say, I like this more than I expected to. I thought my version might be kind of boring, but I think the asymmetry of the skirt and top adds some interest, and the funky little accessories like the headband, bag, and chunky black sandals add some coolness and sort of casual edge to the very feminine top and skirt. I'm also not normally one for just black and white, but I think it totally works with these pieces. I would definitely wear this. And obviously, it's hot weather approved. A flowy midi skirt and delicate tank top always works for me in the heat.
Okay, I am obsessed with this next outfit. The idea of layering two dresses with these specific cuts just blew my mind a little. And then the realization that I had two dresses that I could actually layer together in a way that's sort of similar to this blew my mind even more. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have even already seen me layer these two pieces together on my Instagram story, just because as soon as I saw this picture, I was like, I have to try this on with the clothes in my closet. So I already tried it out a little bit. So I'm going to recreate this look with this long, black, high-necked, sleeveless dress. And then I will be layering this patterned spaghetti strap lower cut midi dress as the top layer that also has a bit of a slit on the bottom. I love this combo so much. I'm so excited. Obviously, that combination is the main appeal of recreating this outfit, but I do also have some chunky black shoes and some sunglasses to finish it off. And this outfit, once again, has a black bag, but I feel like I have to switch it up at least a little bit. So I might include a tote bag because this is a black tote bag. We'll just see what bag goes with it.
I mean, yeah, I love this. This is so me. We've got unexpected layering, we've got a long column dress look, we've got chunky shoes, sunglasses, my go-to green striped tote bag. I feel both very cool and very me in this look. I also love that this is a button-up dress because then I can also wear it totally open like I did when I tried it on Instagram, or I can just unbutton more of the bottom buttons to show the black dress underneath a bit more and make the slit look bigger. I love the versatility, I love the look, and I love that it's still flowy and sleeveless, which is very comfy for hot weather.
Thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Squarespace is a very intuitive web design platform to get started with any project that you think should have a website or an online presence. They have so many different beautiful template options, but the templates are also super flexible, so you can actually customize all the details to exactly what you want. Their next generation website design system, Fluid Engine, also makes all that customization easy and very user-friendly with drag and drop technology. And Squarespace also lets you market and sell through their platform to suit your specific business needs, from physical products to virtual downloads to exclusive member areas on your site. Go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/beepworld to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Here is outfit number 5. I love that this is like a pretty simple all white outfit, but the shapes and the draping of the fabric just creates such gorgeous movement and visual interest. So for my own take, I do not have a white corset, but I do have this white lace bralette that I think will have a similar visual effect. On the bottom, my own sort of baggy, wide leg white pants. And I'm not sure what's tied around the waist here. It looks like something like very beautiful and lacy and detailed. And I don't have anything like that, but I do have a plain white button up, which I think will still add that cool sort of flowy shape and movement and dimension to the look. Then I'll be topping it off with these little black heels, and hopefully we'll be good to go.
Alright, here is my look all put together, but for some reason my black heels are just not working with this the way they did in the photo. So I traded them out for white platform sandals, which I think works way better for me. With that little change, I love this outfit. I love that it's so simple yet really eye-catching. This is another one that is totally hot weather approved with the bralette and super light breathable pants. Plus, if you do want another layer, maybe you have to go indoors, just some air conditioning, or you just want some sun protection, you can just put the white button up on and it also looks great. I do wish all these whites matched a little closer, but overall I still love it, and I'm going to tell myself the mismatch just adds to the easy breezy relaxed vibe.
Okay, I think this next outfit is going to be so fun to take inspiration from because the styles of these specific pieces lean very 2000s, very girly, and neither of those is really very my style, but the idea of a little mini skirt, a cute brightly colored button down, and a cute brightly colored hair scarf are totally my style. I think a great creative exercise if you're trying to give yourself some outfit inspo and get out of your box a little bit is to look at outfits that really aren't necessarily your style, but then just figure out what pieces in your closet align align the closest with the pieces in that outfit, and then you'll probably get like a new version that maybe isn't the same style as the original, but it has similar pieces in an outfit that's in your style because it's using your pieces, you know? You should all try that out and tell me how it goes in the comments. Anyway, for this outfit, we are using my plain black mini skirt, my green striped button up that I did have to pull out of my laundry hamper to film this. So if you notice that it's wrinkled, no, you don't. I also have this colorful hair scarf, and then I am of course gonna add a cute bag and cute sunglasses just like the picture and see how my version comes out.
Man, this outfit is so like normal, but it's so cute, and I don't think I ever would have thought of it if not for recreating the Pinterest photo. I love the color of this shirt paired with the colors in the bandana. I love how the green striped bag complements the green striped shirt, and I love that the black mini skirt, sunglasses, and chunky shoes bring in more of a cool girl edge, which creates such a fun combination of like friendly yet effortlessly cool vibes. And even though this shirt does have sleeves, A, cotton button-ups are super breathable, and B, this would totally work just as well with the short sleeve or even sleeveless colored button-up.
This next outfit I found specifically on a search for big hat outfit inspo because I have this big straw hat that I have been wanting to wear but have been struggling to come up with a casual way to wear. So I love this as a casual but adorable outfit option. And though my hat is different from the hat in the picture, I love the idea of styling it with my own poofy frilly white blouse and some green shorts. Also, because the inspo picture has like a nice green pattern, I'm adding a green pattern in this striped tote bag. And for shoes, I think I'm gonna go with my fisherman sandals. So let's see the final look.
Oh my gosh. This outfit is so adorable. The big hat, the frilly blouse, the fisherman sandals. I feel like I walked straight out of a Ghibli movie. I love the pairing of these bigger, more statement items like the hat and blouse with these more casual, playful elements like the shorts, the tote bag, and the sandals. And I also love how the fisherman sandals and the hat can bring such a summery, seaside energy to any outfit. I'm very pleased with this one. And again, while this long sleeve button up is still quite breathable, this would also totally work with any frilly white blouse, like the short sleeve one I'm wearing in the talking segments, or even the white tank top from outfit number 3.
Okay, outfit number 8 is super simple, and I think I maybe have even styled something kind of similar to this in a video before, but it just feels like such a perfect example of an adorable and stylish, yet totally wearable and easy summer outfit that it was just the perfect contender for this video. So for my version, I don't necessarily have a short white dress, but I do have this short white slip with this lace paneling. It's just slightly transparent, so I'm gonna wear it with my white lace bralette underneath and some white shorts that I'm actually wearing right now. Here they are. This is what they look like. Then for shoes, I of course have my little red flats, which I will wear with some white crew socks, and the white bows in the hair are essential.
Okay, here is this outfit. Obviously, like I said, it is super simple, but so cute, and totally perfect for hot weather. As you can see, I did make one change in that I have the white bows pinned in my hair instead of having them at the end of 2 braids, which is honestly because I really liked how my hair looked this day and I didn't want to mess it up by braiding it. I do actually think this style with the bows is maybe a little too girly for me and my style, at least paired with this ultra girly outfit, but I do think it looks adorable and is a great way to switch up your hair bows for something a little different. That said, I would totally wear this outfit with the 2 braids with bows at the end in real life, and I might also try out this hairstyle with a different outfit sometime.
Alright, outfit number 9 is one of the funkiest and one of my favorites. I absolutely love the look of a short button-up dress styled as a top, half buttoned up with shorts underneath. So cool, so funky, such a good way to switch things up in the summer, have something super unique but that's still basically equally easy and comfortable to a tank top and shorts. I have my own little chambray button-up dress, my own little baggy shorts, and my own platform sandals and yellow lens sunglasses to complete the look. And again, because my pieces don't have any patterns but this outfit has some patterns, I'm gonna bring in this bag again to add a pattern.
I love this outfit so much. Like the other layered dress outfit, it has many of my favorite features like unexpected layering, chunky shoes, and my yellow lens sunglasses. Plus, I also love the detail added by the chunky beaded necklace and my trusty green striped tote bag. Like I said, this is just such a cool, unique look, but functionally, it's exactly the same as shorts and a tank top. So it is so wearable and practical for any everyday activity, but you'll look so cool and chic while doing it. I also love that I can push back the dress to put my hands in the shorts pockets. I love the draping and shape that creates too, and I just think it looks so effortlessly cool. This one is being added to my 100% must-wear list.
And finally, the last outfit we are recreating isn't actually an outfit, it is this picture right here. I just think this is such a cool idea. Little scarves tied around each ankle, and they're delightfully mismatched. What more could you want? I think this is such a cool little outfit detail, and I really wanted to try it and just see like what kind of outfit it would actually work with in real life, if it would work with my wardrobe. So I have these 3 scarves to choose from. I feel like these 2 are maybe like a little too similar in color scheme, but this one matches my skin a little too well, so it might not really look right. So I'm not sure which 2 I'll end up choosing. We'll just have to see. And I'm just gonna pair that with some simple sandals, these same white platforms, and this same simple black dress from earlier. We're gonna let the little ankle ties be the statement detail of the look.
Okay, I think this is so fun. I decided to go with the pink scarf and the striped scarf for more contrast to make them look more intentionally mismatched, and I love what a delightful little surprise they are peeking out at the bottom of this look. I did realize that I think in the picture it might actually be ribbons because they are very small compared to my scarves, which are a bit more bulky, but I still think it looks super fun, very statement making, such a cool detail to add to a really simple minimal outfit like this one, or you could add these into something really layered and maximalist for an even more maximal detailed look. I would also love to try these over some pants to cinch in the ankles. The possibilities are endless. Oh, and the cat came to join me for this last one, so it's also Comet approved.
Alright y'all, please let me know in the comments which of these looks were your favorites and where you are getting your best inspo for outfits that work for the summer heat but are actually cute. And yeah, if you do leave a comment, watch another video, and subscribe to my channel, I heard your body will develop a natural immunity to heat and sweating. You'll just be cool and comfortable and not sticky all summer long.